In front of me is Cubot P80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Privacy section after scrolling down. Then tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features to manage it, like for example, camera. Then select one of your apps under one of those categories. I will go with Chrome from Not Allowed one. Finally, apply the best option for you by clicking on it and go back. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature, look for an app that you wish to manage and click on it. Then instead of selecting any of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!